You sheltered me from harm, kept me warm, kept me warm. You gave my life to me, set me free, set me free. The finest years I ever knew were all the years I had with you. And I would give anything I own, give up my life, my heart, my home. And I would give everything I own just to have you back again. You taught me how to love, what it's all, what it's all. You never said too much, but still you showed the way. Yet I knew from watching you, nobody else could ever know the part of me that can't let go. And I would give anything I own, give up my life, my heart, my home. And I would give everything I own just to have you back again. Is there someone you know, you're loving them so, but taking them all for granted? You may lose them one day, someone takes them away, and they don't hear the words you long to say. And I would give anything I own, give up my life, my heart, my home. I would give anything I own just to have you back again, just to touch you once again. So well the day that you came into my life. You asked for my name, you had the most beautiful smile. My life started to change. I'd wake up each day feeling alright. With you right by my side makes me feel things will work out just fine. How did you know I needed someone like you in my life? That there's an empty space in my heart. You came at the right time in my life. I'll never forget how you brought the sun to shine in my life and took all the worries and fears that I had. I guess what I'm really trying to say, it's not every day that someone like you comes my way. did you know I needed someone like you in my life? That there's an empty space in my heart. You came at the right time in my life. I'll never forget how you brought the sun to shine in my life and took all the worries and fears that I had.
Ay, nawa ko pa. Magating kita.
Palmi kita. Ano, lolo, lolo, lolo.
Words can't express how
Makulit, lolo.
I love you.
Yes, ayin ka na again. Labas mo yung kare-kare doon.
How did you know
Sa printer.
someone like you in my life?
Kulay blue yung salamin ko.
This space
Ha!
in
Ha! 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 Ay, Lian. Kumusta ka?
Kulog, ako mo bahala sa Surf Sun Fresh Powder. May sun power para sa anti-kulog
May kulay yung salamin na kulay blue.
sa araw. Surf Sun
Violet.
Liquid
Oh, ikaw ba si Aki?
Ay, nagpapakitang aki-aki na yan. Papakit ikaw, Aki. Eh, punta ka kay nanay. Bilis, palambi ka ulit. Aray ko, kinakagat niya talaga ako. Kinakagat niya na ako. Pinapakita mo na ba tunay yung mga kulay?
Pinabakunaan. Padiworm ka na. Sabi ko, padiworm nila. Ay, nanay mo. Oh, ano kasi nanay mo? Ano?
Ayan na naman.
Dali. Sige, tayo. Ay, galing, baby. Tingnan mo, baby. Ano?
Wala ka kanta. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday! Wish mo na, wish!
Wish mo na. Happy birthday.
Kagandahan, ika'y hanap sa tuwina nitong pusong ikaw lamang ang saya. Sa ganda ng umaga, nangungulila sa'yo, sinta. Ikaw ang aking tanging yaman na di lubusan
Sa bawat paghinga ng madaling araw, hanap ng paningin ay ang iyong anagag. Hindi sapat ang pilak ni ang gintong busilak upang tumbasan ang yaman ng iyong pagkalinga. Ikaw ang dulo ng bawat pagsasamo, ang talinghagang hindi maubos-ubos ng aking hininga. Sa gitna ng pagkakataon at pag-aalinlangan, ang iyong ngalan ang tanging himig na nananahan. Ika'y hanap sa tuwina, sa kapwa ko, ika'y laging nadarama. Sa iyong mga likha, hangat pa rin masdan ang iyong mukha. Ikaw ang aking tanging yaman na di lubusang masumpungan ang nilikha mo.
Ano to eh?
Kahit
Nakakap siya eh. Oo, nagbabawi lang siya.
sulyak ng iyong kagandahan,
Sabi po,
sulyak ng iyong
gago, sising ka natin.
kagandahan.
Love, love, hooray! Hep, hep, hooray! Hep, hep, hooray! Hep, hep, hooray!
Bakit pala kaya kakain eh?
Bibi!
Palaw. La! Uli rito.
Kain na, kain na.
Ang kulit.
Kain na.
Kumakain eh. Ayan na, ayan na.
Pikit-pikit ka ba dyan?
Kaya ayaw ko ibaba
Bakit
itong
ka ba?
bata. Oh, bye na, bye na, bye.
Bay na po.
Ay, bye na. Dali, alis tayo. Bababa tayo. Dali, lilinisin ko pa yung diaper mo. Basang-basa, oh. Dali. Maghugas tayo, maghugas, oh. Ay. Mantika nga pala, walang mantika, oh. Ay, sakto to, isa.
5 piso nga na lang.
Ito, 5 piso. Ay, kulang. Ito, 5 piso. Oo. Ayan o, ayan o, pusa o. Meow. Ayan o, la. Meow. Meow. Shh.
Dirty yan.
Halika, dito ka. Oh, dun. Huwag ka dun. Diyan! Dito! Ayaw mahalagaan ni mami mo. No? Teka. Mami mo.
Ah.
teka.
No! Yan. Yan.
Oh, yan daw, yan daw. Yan, tawa daw,
Ah.
tawa. Woo! Ay, ako, basic ka ba? Ito mo mami mo dali, lugaw eh.
Ni.
Ano, oh, mahulog. Tawa daw. Ayan si kuya. Ang tawag sa...
Iyakin. Iyakin.
Gagalitan ka ni daddy mo dyan sa kama niya. Lagyan ka.
Iyakin. Iyakin.
Ang ulo mo.
Iyakin.
Una danza que yo no conozco, pero como quiera quiero bailarla. Caminar en la arena, por la playa serena, haría todo para conquistarla.
Eyo.
Wow, dami mo sinabi. Wala naintindihan ha.
Oo. Ay, si Jackie.
Tinitigan ko, nilapitan ko, hanggang sa may diwata na pagdilat ko.